What's up everybody, my name is Gabriel Shole, but you already know you can call me K-Show. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gain more followers on Instagram. I'm not talking about fake followers, I'm not talking about robotic followers, I'm talking about real, authentic and organic followers on Instagram. Really organic, you know what I'm saying? Organic. But before then, intro. Welcome back guys. Growing your followers on Instagram is not as hard as you think. All you need to do is to follow these 10 simple steps I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and you'll see your Instagram growth skyrocket. So let's get straight into it. Number one, you have to optimize your Instagram profile. Okay, your Instagram profile consists of your Instagram name, your bio and your contact details, and this is very, very important. So let's take them one by one. The first is your Instagram name. You have to make sure that you're using a very unique and memorable name. You don't want to use something like Coca-Cola 2546 as your Instagram name, for example, if you're a Coca-Cola company. All right, you want to use something that stands out, something that goes well with your brand. You don't want to mix it all up. You don't want to use something that does not correspond to your profile. So you want to make sure that your Instagram name stands out. Okay, next is your bio. You want to make sure that you put a good description about your business, about what your Instagram profile is all about. People will come to your Instagram bio to know what your page is all about, and if they can't get that on your bio, then they get discouraged and leave your Instagram page. So you want to make sure that your bio describes what your company is all about. In your bio, you could also include hashtags or even mention other pages if you like to direct people to another Instagram page of yours. Next is your contact details. You want to make sure that people are able to reach out to you when they come to your Instagram profile. So you want to make sure people are able to visit your website, send you an email or give you a call if they need to. Number two is that you want to be consistent with your posting. If you're really serious about growing your followers on Instagram, then you have to be consistent. Trust me, I know the hardest thing for humans is to be consistent, but when it comes to building your profile on Instagram and your followers, then it is something you can't do without. Consistency means that you post content relevant to your brand on your page every single day. It is something that you have to take your time to plan out so you know the content that you'll be posting on your pages every day. Now, when I mean consistent and posting every day, I don't mean you posting any kind of content. I mean you posting consistently content that are related to your brand.
Hey, yes, I'm talking to you. You said you were going to be consistent with your post, but what happened? Lazy bone.
Number three, schedule your Instagram post in advance. So to help you with number two, you can get an app like Buffer or Hootsuite to help you to schedule all of your posts on Instagram so you don't have to worry about posting on Instagram when you're very busy. Number four is the use of influencers. On Instagram, we have people called influencers. These are people that have a large following of people following their account. You can leverage on these people to promote and to grow your followers on Instagram by striking a deal with them, telling them you can give them or offer them this if they can help promote your content on their page. Now, some of these influencers you might have to pay, but if you know your way around these things very well, you could actually strike a good deal with some of these influencers and you get them to promote your brand or your page for free on their own page, and thereby driving all of those followers from their own page to your own page. But don't forget, make sure the followers of this influencer are also prospective followers for your page. So if you're into catering, you don't want to meet an influencer who is into real estate. You want to meet an influencer who is into food, who is into traveling, who also talks about how to make delicacies. So get the right influencer for your page. Number five, know the difference between fake followers and real followers. What that means is that don't spend your hard-earned money to get fake followers, because these followers would yield no return on investment. For example, if you have 100,000 followers on your page that are fake followers, they will bring you no return on investment. If you make a post, you notice that you get little or no likes on your post. If you post a video, you notice that you get little or no views on your video. And this is not good for your Instagram profile, because when people come to your page and you have 100,000 followers and they're checking through your posts, your pages, and they're saying 5 likes, 2 views, 10 views, 10 likes, it shows there's something wrong. So you want to make sure that every single follower that follows you on your Instagram page has your trust and will be loyal to your brand. Number 6, you want to showcase your Instagram. Now, how do you want people to find you on Instagram if you're not letting them know how to find you on Instagram? For example, you could include a button on your website that will direct people to your Instagram page. And another way to go about it is, if you have a very large following on another social media platform, say maybe Facebook, you could begin to take screenshots of your Instagram posts and begin to post them on Facebook, so people on Facebook can see how much they are missing of your post on Instagram. And this will begin to direct traffic from your Facebook page to your Instagram page, and thereby you grow more of your followings on Instagram. Number 7 is to post great content. Like you already know, content is king. Now, the reason why people will want to follow you on Instagram is because of the great content you are posting. So if your contents are whack, then you don't get any follower. Okay, so make sure you devote time in developing great content. One way to go about it is you could check out your competitors' page and see what type of content are they posting, and begin to see how you can refine that and apply that to your own post on Instagram. Okay, it's very simple. Post great content and then you get great followers. Number 8, get the conversation started. A lot of people want to know that you are very active on your Instagram page. For example, those using Instagram for business, when people approach your Instagram page and they comment or ask you a question or send you a message to your DM, they want to know if you're active, if there's someone behind this brand, if there's somebody they could relate to and ask all of their questions. So when people comment or when people send you a DM on your Instagram page and it takes 24 hours for them to get a reply, then it shows them that this is not a serious company or a business. Then they don't have any motivation to follow you or even like your content. So you must be very active on your Instagram page. When people comment, you want to make sure that you reply those comments instantly, and that you are also replying messages that come into your inbox. So it's very important that you get the conversation going on. Number 9, get users to engage with your page. One way to go about this is to create contests or giveaways on your page. When you do this, you are telling the users that you care about them, and then you also want to give back to them. So doing a simple giveaway would help to encourage your followers and to make them loyal to your page. And don't forget, when you pick the winner, you want to also make sure that you post it on your page so that every other person who didn't participate in the giveaway or the contest can see that they've already missed out in that opportunity. So the next time when you have another giveaway, everyone who didn't participate in the other giveaway will also participate in the new one. Number 10, find hashtags that convert. Hashtags is a very good way to make your Instagram page discoverable by people who don't even follow your page, because every single day people do a search on Instagram, and when people do a search on Instagram, Instagram looks at the hashtags that are related to that keyword the person has typed on the search bar. So it is very, very important that you use hashtags that are related to your business. One way to look at hashtag is looking at it as your keyword for your website. So on social media, the keywords can be called hashtags. Okay, so for example, you're a restaurant and you're making a post, you could use hashtags that are related to your industry and related to that particular post that you're making. Okay, so make sure that you use high converting hashtags on your post. It is very, very important. One way to go about that is to look at hashtags that are strictly for your targeted audience. So you don't want to use too generic hashtags like love, like birthday. These hashtags have hundreds of millions of posts. You want to look for hashtags that have a few thousand posts, so that when people search regarding that hashtag, it is going to be very easy for people to find your content, and from there, if they like your content, they follow your Instagram page. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Smash the subscribe button if you like to see more videos like this, and click on the notification bell so you can receive updates when I release new videos. Now, if you're a beginner to digital marketing and you like to learn what digital marketing is all about all the way from scratch, then I have an online course that will do that just for you. Check it out in the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.